Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Stars and Bars. This is day 3 of my 100 days English speaking challenge. Today I want to talk about one common interview doubt. It was most students don't know why interviewers ask questions. Because everything is already written in my resume, then why do interviewers ask questions again? First of all, interview is the conversation where one person asks question, the other person answers them. Interview is not only about what you know. The interview was mainly conducted to understand and analyze the candidate much better. It helps to understand how well the candidate communicate and they analyze the candidate attitude and behavior. Resume versus interview. The resume is a sheet which stores all the informations of the candidate like educational details, what all are the skills that the candidate have, and project details. But the interview is the process. You have to communicate and you have to prove these are the skills I have and these projects are done by myself. Example, if I put in resume skill section, I have strong Python programming knowledge and I do multiple machine learning projects, then the interviewer will ask some questions to about these skills. If I cannot answer them correctly and clearly, then the skills have no value. What interviewers actually check? The interviewer actually checks the 4 important things: the clarity of explanation, depth of understanding, communication skills, and the confidence level. They first check whether the candidate can communicate and explain the complex topics in simple so that everyone can understand it easily, and the depth of understanding whether the candidate really know about these skills or just put to impress the interviewer. Communication skills plays a crucial role. If the candidate well communicate, that's that all advantage to him, and they absolutely check the confidence level, how well the candidate perform, how they have a confidence level. So these 4 things plays a major role in interview. The final truth about job selection. In job selection, the more number of people participated, the people have similar resumes, similar skill set, similar projects they already done. But what makes difference? If I take example, if 100 plus participates to in the job, only 10 to 15 candidates can explain their thoughts clearly, and 2 to 3 people only got selected because those candidates only have and mastered their both communication and skill set. That's the reason only 2 to 3 people got selected in every job. Communication skills is much important for interview, and in this generation communication plays a major role in everywhere. So practice English speaking daily. Don't feel to make mistakes. Making mistakes is common and that helps to learn much faster. Skills brings the interview, but communication brings the job. So practice today. Don't wait for the perfect time. Make the perfect time and practice yourself. Thank you. We will meet in the next video. Thank you guys.